Alright, I've done it again. I have pre-primed a white canvas. I have some leftover paint, and I'm going to make a ribbon pour right on top of it. My husband just came out and pointed out the fact that I left the last painting in the yard, so oops. Oh well. I can spin my turntable. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. I kind of want to go backwards, forwards. I want to do all kinds of stuff I haven't been able to do yet. But I am going to take all of that just this once and let her rip. I have no idea what possessed me to use so much of that funky yellow color that's nice in small doses. But this is going in the bucket. I'm wiping my spatula off. What I really want to do is take my palette knife, which I think is also in the bucket right now, and any other paint that I have hanging around here, and just have a ball. Just all bets are off. There's no Floetrol in anything. I know I'm going to wish I could save whatever starts as, and that's just not the way that works. I'm just having my way with my paint right now. If I were really smart, I would find a way to keep it, but I have a large edge catcher. Ooh, and one of them just went in the bucket. At least it's not the large one. Okay, so what I want to play with, if I can find it in the bucket right now, is my palette knife. And I want to take some of this color. Where do I want to take it from? I love that red. Where's the rest of that red? Okay, I'm going to put a little more over here, and I'm just going to bleed it right off the edge. And then, because I can, I'm going to do the same thing over here. Because I can. And not so sure about that, but I'm not unhappy. Looks like I am doing what I said I was going to do, that I wasn't going to do, which is to leave the paint. Yeah, okay. What now? She said, hopefully. Any suggestions? Let's just let that paint do what it wants right there. And if I do tip this, which is probable, I'm going to do so somewhat cautiously. What else do I want? I don't want much of anything else. This is just simple and kind of perfect. Simple is the wrong word. It's whatever it is, and I like it. I'm a little lost for words. I kind of just want something very different. And I think I'm going to try that spatula. Yeah. It might be quick. Sometimes the first time I do stuff, it's unbelievably quick. And then just wait and see if you can try and get it the same way later. I don't want too much of that. I like that black in there. I liked it so much, I think I'm going to try and put it back. Like that. I could use a skewer. I especially like how the black turns the other blue into a more navy blue. I am so not thrilled with that water spot, but I have rags for that and a little white paint while it's all wet to fix it. And this is just neat. It looks like something I did the other day, only there's more white space. I'm liking the movement inside. I'm like, maybe that water's coming off that spatula. Maybe if I need to, I'll add a skewer, scrape some paint off with my finger, pretend that's how it's done, lift the edge. Sometimes I just need to be different, and this is that, and I'm liking this, and I'm happy with that. So, I don't think we're going to have a whole lot more going on here. I always say that, don't I? Okay, let's see what happens. Kind of like, yeah. Spatula in the bucket. Let's use the skewers to lead some stuff. Right off the edge. The heck with it. Let's use a thumb. It's clawing to get off the canvas. You know, I really like this. I don't know what possessed me just to dump that purple there, but I'm all good with it. And even though I was complaining about that orange, I'm all good with that too. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure there's enough paint there. It feels a little unbalanced to me. If I put some purple in there, it's going to change everything. If I put some purple in here, it's going to change everything too, but for some reason that's where I wanted to put it. So dip your skewer in, let it pull the paint sideways without much pressure at all. I think I'm going to do the same thing right up at the top where it looks similar. Yep, that's what I wanted. Cool. I think I might do it elsewhere as well. Right over the side. Not so sure I'm happy with that white there. Trust my process. Okay, so that's cool. What else do I want? I'm going to take this pink and lead it right back there because I can. Do I need any more? I don't know. Kind of seemed like there's never enough of this pink anywhere to go around for me. Right over there. Yep, yep, I'm happy. I'm making that funny noise again. Tee-heeing. The sound of childish joy. Okay, what else do I want? I want a little more of this. I want it to look like something's happening. Which is cool because I have some paint that went where it wasn't supposed to be over here. And now it's where it is supposed to be. Yeah, that makes so much sense. Okay, that's what I get for trying to paint and talk at the same time. I'd have at least one pretend spiral, right? Okay. I keep saying okay like I'm done. But I think what I'm going to do, what I want to do, is do just what I did a minute ago. How's that? And just a little tiny bit of that. See if I can make that happen again. Although the last time I did it with my palette knife. Here, I have this really cool tool I've been dying to use. Can I use it? Yes, I can. And now I have some extra paint. What am I going to do that? Let's make some dots, which will either stay or disappear, or become something else entirely. Why waste paint? Add texture. Hey, it looks like I need something right there. There's not much paint hanging around extra, I gotta tell you what. I think we're done. I'm not going to drop that in my bucket because I'm afraid I'm going to cut myself if I pull it out. It's pretty sharp. Let's see if there's anything else. Any little edges. Any little anything that I need to fix. I really like that. It's a lot more spontaneous than usual, and that's okay with me. And you can see all of that. And at 10 minutes, we are done. So I hope you enjoyed that. That was a ball for me. I really had more fun doing that than I have. Wait, I see it. Yeah. I gotta fix it. Still having fun. Wipe off my skewer. One more spiral will never hurt anybody. Okay, we're done. Bye now.